Okay, Lily. Almost done. See, everybody? What's left of our cereal? A couple of spoonfuls. And we're still hungry. Want more? Uh-oh. What was that?
That was bad.
What?
The glasses are falling out.
Your glasses are falling down. You done? You want the spoon? Where do you put the spoon? Where's the spoon go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You want it? What is that? Yeah, that's it. We eat. We use this spoon to eat. It don't have no food on it though, does it? We don't have no food. Yum, 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 yum. Ah. Are you done? Did you have enough? We'll check back later, okay? Say bye. She's waving with her foot. Say bye. There we go. Bye.